Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Jagdish. In this video, we will cover these points: what is fields, types of fields, difference between standard field and custom field. Next one is fields data types, and last one is how to create fields in Salesforce. Let's see one by one, and please be available from start to end of this tutorial. First is what is fields. Fields represent a column inside the object. Object can have one or more field. Fields used to store the data. There are two types of fields in Salesforce. First one is standard fields and second one is the custom fields. Standard fields is ready-made fields which is provided by the Salesforce. For example, ID, name, owner, these are the standard fields which is provided by the Salesforce. Second one is the custom fields. We can create custom fields based on our requirement. Next is a difference between standard fields and custom fields. Standard fields are ready-made fields and custom fields based on our requirement we can create custom fields. And also in standard fields we cannot remove standard fields from object, but we can remove custom fields. Next point is standard fields name look like normal world. Custom fields name look like underscore underscore c. Next point is we cannot create any more standard fields, but we can create number of custom fields based on our requirement. Next point is fields data types. Open your Salesforce account, go to setup. After that, go to object manager and search here object name project. After that, go to fields and relationships. After that, click here new button. These are the fields data type: auto number, formula, checkbox, currency, date time, email, geolocation, number, percent, phone, pick list, multi-select, text area long, text area reach, text, encrypted, time, and URL. These are the fields data types available in Salesforce. Next point is how to create fields in Salesforce. Click here new button and select here data type text. After that, click here next. Write here field name. I'm right here project name. Length is 50. Next, visible to all profile. After that, next. After that, save and new. After that, I'm select again data type text. Next, field name is project guide. Length is 50. Next, make visible to all profile. Next, and save. Here Project name and project guide fields are successfully created. After that, go to Object Manager, Project, select Project, and we can also edit or delete this object profile. In this way, we can create number of fields in Salesforce. Please like video and subscribe my channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching.